Do you know what is the place value? How it relates to our numbering system? Let us see. Place value. Describe the position or a place of a digit in a number. So in any of the number, we have to write down the position, their groups, their places of that number. Each digit has a special place in a number that already we studied in distributing the numbers according to their groups, according to their places. The same rule, the same thing you have to apply here. The position of each digit will be expanded. Now expanded means you have to make it large. For example, we can say in another word, place value is the value of the digits according to its position in the number, such as the ones, tens, hundreds, etc. See, here I am giving one example to you. Using the place value chart, find the place value of each digit. The place value we can find out by two ways. Using place value chart in the each of the digit, and in another example I am giving one underline to you and you have to find out only and only the place value of that digit. So here your number is 234. Using the place value chart, you have to find out the place value. See, here I am giving this group to you, and one side I am giving numbers, position, their sum, multiply, place value in number and place value in word. See, here 2 in the place of hundreds. That's why we have to put in the column of 2 in the column of hundreds. Now 3 in the place of tens. That's why we have to put in the column of tens 3. Now 4 in the place of ones. That's why in the column of ones we have to put 4. Now you have to put their position value. Position value means what? 2 lies on which place? Here 2 lies on the hundreds place. That's why we have to put here 100 only. Now 3 in the place of tens. That's why you have to put 10. 4 in the place of ones. That's why you have to put 1 only. Now here you have to do the sum. Means what? 2 in the place of hundreds. That's why we have to do the addition of 100 2 times. Means we have to add 100 2 times. So it becomes 100 plus 100. It's a 200. Now 3 in the place of tens. That's why we have to do the addition of 10. How many times? 3 times. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 30. Now 4 in the place of ones. That's why we have to do the addition of 1. How many times? 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 4. This we are solving by with the help of addition. Now how can we solve by the multiplication? See here. Here 2 in the place of hundreds. That's why we have to do the multiplication of 100 multiplied by 2. So 100 multiplied by 2 is equal to 200. Now 3 in the place of tens. That's why we have to do multiplication of 10 and 3. So 10 multiplied by 3 is equal to 30. 4 in the place of ones. That's why we have to do the multiplication of 1 by 4. So 1 multiplied by 4 is equal to 4. Now you have to write down your place value in number, means this is the answer you have to write down directly. So the place value of 2 is 200, place value of 3 is 30. Now place value of 4 is 4. Now how can you write down this thing in words? See here, 2 in the place of hundreds. That's why you have to write down first number. Which number lies on the hundred place? 2. So you have to write down first 2 and then you have to write down these hundreds, because we are not supposed to write down these hundred, because in this we have to write down in word. So you can write down 2 as it is. It is not necessary you have to write down the spelling of 2. You can write down 2 hundreds like this. 3 in the place of tens. That's why we have to write down first 3 and then we have to write down tens. So your answer is 3 tens. 4 in the place of ones. That's why you have to write down 4 ones. This is the place value chart, and here the place value of all digits. Here these all things about the hundreds, here all things about the tens, here all things about the ones. Now in another example, I am giving one number to you, but in that I am just doing the underline. So you have to write down the answer of that number only. Your question is place value of underlined digit. Your number is 679. I am just doing the underline on the 6. So you have to write down the answer of 6 only. So your answer of that number is, I am just doing here underlining 6. So your answer is 600 in word and 600 in number. Do you know what is the face value? See here, face value. Face value of a digit is the value of the digit itself in a number. Whether the number is a single digit, double digit, or three digit, or any number, each digit has its face value. So the face value of each digit in a number is the number itself. Itself means what? The number on. See here, I am giving one example to you to find out the place value. See, in this you have to find out the place value of each digit. Each means every digit. In 2, 0, 1. See here I am giving one table to you, 100, tens, ones, their groups. Here you have to write down the number, which number lies on the hundreds place, which number lies on the tens place, which number lies on the ones place. Then after you have to write down their position value and you have to write down their face value. Face value we have to write down in number only. See here your 2 first number is 2. We have to write down in the place of hundreds 2. Then in the place of tens 0. Then 1 in the place of ones. That's why we have to put 1. Now on which position these numbers lies? So 2 lies on the hundreds. That's why we have to write down 100. On the tens place 0. That's why we have to write down 10. And 1 on the place of ones. That's why you have to write down 1 here. Now what is the face value? The face value of a digit is the number itself. That number only is the answer. So here 2 lies on the hundreds place, but the face value of 2 is 2 only. The face value of 0 is 0 only. The face value of 1 is 1 only. C. The face value of each digit in a number same as digit itself. If the number is in the place of 100, it's a 5, then the face value is 5 only. If that number on the tens place is 9, then the face value of that number is 9 only. Whatever the position of that number is that you don't want to consider in the face value. You have to just put that numbers only in their face value. Face value of a digit is never changed with respect of their position change. In place value, if let already we studied, if the places are changed, then the place value of that digit is changed. But the face value is never changed if their position is changed. While place value is changed with respect of changing their position, except 0. In the place of tens, if we are putting 0, then the place value of that 0 is 0 only. If we are putting 0 in the place of hundreds, then the place value of 0 is 0 only.